Welcome, friends. Recently I had a really cool gig coming up and couldn't decide which bass guitar to play. I have 3 short scales and 2 medium scales and just wanted to find the right fit for the gig. 2 of them were really easy to play, but I liked the sound of the other 3. This 1976 Fender Mustang Bass was really easy to play, but it wasn't exactly the tone that I was looking for. So today I'm going to change the pickups and the capacitor in this, and I'm sure it's going to give me a much punchier sound. I'll play a few notes on this so we can hear what the original components sound like, then I'll change out the capacitor and then the pickups. I'm hoping that the lower value capacitor will give me a slightly brighter edge to it. The capacitor is going from the middle pole to the ground. Use this alligator clip as a heat sink. Sounds exactly like it did before, but now we'll go for the pickups.